Guys, Brian back here with another Hex update. We were watching for this bottom to come in, okay? It came in a little bit lower than we were expecting. Was kind of expecting to grab some of the support back through here in the past that it had. Back through this area here, roughly, the 0.017 to 16 we talked about. It actually went down to 0.012. Right over here, so ended up going a little bit lower than we were thinking. All right, now that first I'm going to show you guys a bullish signal just happened with this thing actually, which is super huge. All right, I use MACDs, moving averages, and RSIs a lot. Okay, if we pull this up here, the MACD, which is on the very bottom down there, enlarge it and small it here for you, but when you go for an entry on the MACD, you want it below 0, okay, and a buy signal. All right, so this thing has flipped a buy signal. We got one blue bar starting right up here, and the green dot is the buy signal, so this ideally would be a pretty decent entry right here. Now if we look at these RSIs on the daily, you can see we're extremely oversold. A 16.6 and a 12 has turned up and is bullish. If we zoom out here on the weekly, once again just about reset on that weekly. All right, and you can see what happened last time that weekly was reset, and I believe this was like a 600%, yeah, 600% move. Then you had some smaller ones in there, obviously. This one here ended up being 70%, and the time before that ended up being 180%. So it can make some nice moves when this thing gets reset on that weekly. All right, and if I could ask you guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very much, guys. Thank you very much. Got a great group in here. Would love you to join us. So let's look at the 12-hour. The 12-hour RSI still heading up and bullish in the 84 and the 69. The 8-hour, same thing. It's getting a little tapped out. It's at 100 and it's at 96. All right, but this thing could go sideways in here for a while for sure. All right, definitely keep an eye. I believe a major first resistance area is going to come in there at that 0.017. This ended up. I would expect that to really be around the first area, maybe 0.016. Ooh, geez, almost up on that number. 0.016 to 0.017. All right, we get through that, then we're going to be looking at these higher areas. First areas to really take out. Of course, this thing could rip up. There's really no major resistance till you get up in this area, up through here. So it could tear right up through there, and and end up having a really big tear out of here. That would end up being just up to there is, geez, about 100% move. So I believe Hex has bottomed out. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm sorry to bore you with saying that, but unfortunately I have to. So I will be keeping an eye on this thing, guys. Right now it's up 9.5%, and it's looking good. I believe this thing has bottomed out finally. We've been going down since March, the end of March. So a couple months it's been just collapse and rolling over here. Trying to get a trend line on this thing. It doesn't. Let's see here. It's going to be way out there, really. So got a long ways to go before it hits any trend. You could try tying one in here somewhere, but I like, obviously that was a point of interest through there. So I'll keep an eye on this, guys. Right now, Hex is looking pretty strong. The MACD crossover, the buy signal, the RSIs, most indications, most people would say that the bottom is in and this thing's heading up. So thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys soon.